Help me do assignment. Okay. 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 Look where PDP APC. Lecture.
Mr. Genga, would they hear your gist too? Then, Mr. Victor. Victor, can you hear me? Mr. Victor, can you hear me? Hello, Mr. Victor. Good morning.
can hear you, but
Okay,
it's quite noisy
John.
right here.
Okay,
Are you referring to, call the full name? Are you referring to me? Am I the only Victor in the class?
and that's because
Am
the
I the
Victor I'm seeing, you are the one I'm
Victor in
referring
the
to.
class?
The Victor I'm referring to has only one
Can you see
name
my full name?
on his. No, it's only Victor that I'm seeing here. So that was why I was
That's
trying
only
to call
Victor.
your attention. Yes,
Okay,
I'm
I'm with you.
I'm trying to call your
Good
attention to it so that
morning.
you can change, if possible. Can you add
Change.
can you add your surname to it? You only have Victor. So kindly
Okay,
change
only
it.
have Victor, right?
Yes.
How do I change it?
Okay, tap go
From where?
to participants and then tap on your name. From there, you should be able to change. And then I can barely hear you. I also pray that this lecture today will hold.
Okay. Okay.
Have you gone to participants?
Okay. Lecture holding today? Yeah, I'm on it.
Okay.
Is the class holding today?
Yes, we're in
I've
a
done-
class now, waiting for the lecturer now.
Okay, I've done that. I've changed it already. Is it showing now? Can you see it now?
Okay, I can see Victor. What is the name again? I can see Victor Eto.
Yes. Bahima.
Okay.
Bahima.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right.
All right. That's fine.
Thank you, sir.
Are you also on the student WhatsApp group? Because this name
Yes,
doesn't look familiar.
I am there. I'm there.
It does. Okay.
Yeah, I'm there.
All right. Okay.
All right, sir.
Is your name on the register?
Which of the register?
Just check the student. I'm talking about the student WhatsApp group, not the official platform.
Okay, I'll get back to you, sir, shortly.
All right.
Good morning, Rep. Rep,
I hope it's not House of Reps.
it's representative of this able class.
Okay. I'm with you.
Okay, let me just carelessly ask, are they doing matric do they do matric for postgraduate students?
The induction they did was enough for you, sir.
Okay, the induction, okay. Which one? So I've not heard them giving induction number. Or they give induction number?
Please forward that one to the HOD. It's a better
No.
position to.
That is why I'm forwarding it to you. If I thought, no, me, I'm not up to the level of dealing with the HOD. You are the bridge between me and the HOD, or we rather. So ask the HOD whether they are doing matric for MSC students, so that we have matric numbers. The exam is forthcoming. Even CS.
Big by your registration number is your matric.
Service. Maybe young pumps and
Big bar.
Sir,
You have been asking this question. Your registration number is your matriculation number.
Okay.
Good morning. Your registration number is your matriculation number.
It's okay. No wahala now.
Yes. You have a registration number called APP/MSC/C/number. That is your matriculation number.
It's okay. No wahala. Thanks.
Yeah. You know,
I understand that a formal registration number will be given, but for now the application numbers suffice. So we will use this one pending when we'll be giving the other one.
It's okay, no problem.
Usually start with MSC. The one we're using now is APP, which is application.
It's okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. It's not a rallying point at all.
Mr. Raphael.
Hello.
Class rep.
Fine, yeah.
Mr. Fire, good morning.
Okay. Were you referring to me?
No, I'm
Yes,
talking to
your
Mr.
gist.
Mr.
Yes,
Fire.
your
You know it's fine. I'm asking.
Yes, your gist was
okay, my mic
entering
was
our
on,
ears
right?
so much.
If I remember,
Yes, sir.
Sorry.
See, it's okay. If Mr.
Yeah,
Fire,
yeah.
Coswell, please. Are you with me?
Oh, yes, Coswell is with you.
Coswell.
Mr. Fire too is with you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. If I remembered very well, Dr. Charlie talked about giving a group work. And if you look at time now, we are close to the exam. It will not be ideal if all things like this will come towards the exam. It will be a kind of distraction. If there is anything is going to give us, apart from what Dr. Tene talked about, I might even remember whether Dr. Tene gave assignment or not, so that we can try and tackle those things before the exam, that it will give us time. So I just want to bring it to your notice.
Okay,
I don't know
that's
how.
true. No,
I don't know how you're going to
if you are gone to the WhatsApp group today, you will see that I resent the register so that people will write their names. There are some people whose names are not on the register, and then I think about 3 or 4 people today have added their names. So immediately I'm done with that. I will forward I will do the grouping and then forward it to Dr. Ochilebe. Then from there he will send the group assignment to us.
Rep, do you mean some of us included our numbers?
Make sure you do Ojura.
No, sir.
Group when they go stress me, please.
So do you mean you don't stress the group? Mr. Otele, do you know that you know?
It is assumed that everybody who is doing MSC here is equal. Yes, everybody is equal. So we. In fact, I'm even going to use a computer to do that. I will not be the one to do it.
You are stressed.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you?
Stressed.
I just called Dr. Lee and he said we should give him 2 minutes. He will join us soon.
Okay. Thank you. Yes.
Hello.
Mr. Takwe wish to address you.
People have started
like other people that say that they don't want stress. What of others?
I didn't hear what you said, sir. Yes, I didn't hear what you said, sir.
People have started
I am saying that people have started entertaining fears concerning this group assignment. So if they are entertaining fears, why don't you discuss with the course lecturer so that they give us individual assignments so that we can do it individually? Because I think the group assignment is best since we don't have time. We can put it together and do it. It will be better.
Okay, so far it's only one person.
You know that you are forgetting.
Remember that we voted.
Individual.
Do you remember that we all voted? We have voted, and then I think this case is non-negotiable now. We voted on this.
Mr. Tapo,
Yes.
Mr. Tapo,
The best of my
And
knowledge,
then also,
nobody
hello,
is telling group
class.
assignment.
Hello. Can you people hear me out?
Who is complaining about the group assignment that you are talking now?
Are you not on
Can
the
you hear me
platform?
out? Wait, calm down. Hear me out first. I'm going to use an app to do that with a 97% accuracy.
No problem.
There
I don't have
will be
problem about that.
There will be validity
The
in your
validity
work.
will be, yes, the validity will be 97, in fact 99%.
99%. It's a chapter that is putting fear into people. Nobody's scared of group assignment.
Okay.
Jigba.
Yeah. Yeah.
I know you will re-emphasize.
What is that?
Money, all of us.
Money, brothers.
Good morning, Mr. Tapo.
Good morning, Mrs. Bawa.
Yes.
Okay, we are also testing the class now, and I am reiterating this again, please. If you are not on the student discussion WhatsApp group, please let me know. And then if you are there and you are yet to write your name on that student register, please do it. Because after we are done with
you
the
may
grouping,
this one or this one, the one you sent yesterday, or this morning rather. You mean we should still rewrite and put our numbers?
No. If your name is not there, that's what I'm saying. Your name is
Okay, I
there.
think we did it before.
About,
Okay, thank you. We did it before.
I'm talking about those whose names are not there.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. So if your name is not there, right? But if your name for you, is it Jigba that is talking? For you, Jigba, your name is number 4, so don't write again.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Coswell, Mr. Coswell.
Sir?
Hello.
I can hear you, sir.
I beg you, like me, when I went through the one you pasted, I never saw my name there.
And is it Takwe that is talking?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Mr. Takwe, I think your name is there. You copied and pasted your name, or somebody did it on your behalf. Now,
I did. What I'm saying that initially I never saw my name until I copied and pasted.
Okay.
So I'm saying that you try and have our records so that one day somebody may not miss out on something.
Yes, that is why I'm doing this, the register. Okay, that is why there's a register, and I have everybody's record. Whoever is on that register, I have his or her record.
Okay. It's all right. Thank you.
Daddy.
Lucy, you would that you are not aware of any WhatsApp student WhatsApp group. That is surprising because you have not been missing lectures, and then I have been saying this thing every day. It's just this last week that I have not said it. I'm surprised that you said you are not on the WhatsApp group.
I'm not. I'm not.
What's that charging fees? They didn't charge for. They say it's supposed
Can
to
you
charge
chat
for.
me?
Okay. After the lecture, huh?
You can do it now so that I will add you up, please.
How am I supposed to chat you? How am I supposed to chat you?
Check the group. Check the group chat. Check the chat here. I've responded to you.
Okay, it's charging now.
Mr. Silas.
Yes.
Amani Silas. You left the WhatsApp group again. So I don't know what's happened, whether it's by mistake. But then you are not on that WhatsApp group again.
Okay. Please, re-add me back.
Then please, who is Mr. Ongoga?
Have you done it?
Hello? Yes,
I'm
Mr.
not
Ongoga.
Yes,
Yeah.
I'm the one.
Okay, Mr. Ongoga, you only have one name there. And then please, can you confirm if you are on the WhatsApp group?
I have two names.
The lecturer is here, so you can skip all the announcements.
Okay.
Please, everybody can mute his own mic. The lecturer is in the hall.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Mommy and Daddy. Mommy and Daddy.
Go and meet mommy. Go and meet mommy. Go and meet mommy.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Network challenge. Go back. Go back from here. Go back from here. Go back. Yeah, morning. Well done. I should go.
From the room now, Martha is making my exception.
Yes, that is what is happening.
You put it on mute.
Yeah. Yes, that's what I want.
Yeah. I joined too.
You joined, but it seems the network is.
The network, this how the thing has always been.
The network
You
is.
will try, you will not be hearing
Anything, that is what is happening. That is what is happening now. Okay. We have network challenges side. Sivo, we are having network challenge here. Cluster, what is happening with the network?
Silas is the
Good
lecturer.
morning, class.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. Morning. Just see what we can take today. Yesterday we were able to take a parametric test that has to do with density test. Sorry, I didn't take students test.
No.
Network today is something else. Wow. From my end, I can't hear anything. So.
Don't even hear anything.
Duk shi yasa shirmen da mutane sun yi ba rana da wani network ban ba yankin ba ne. Abubuwan da ce na ma duka yankin ya fi su. Hello?
Hi.
Okay. Yeah. So today we will look at a non-parametric test. Yesterday we started with a chi-square test. It's one of the non-parametric tests. And today we'll continue with Mann-Whitney U test. It's a non-parametric test used to compare difference between two independent groups when the data are not continuous. When the data are continuous or ordinal, but not normally distributed, it tests whether the distribution of the two groups are the same or if one tends to have larger value than the other. In this Mann-Whitney U test, it is different, a little bit different from t-test that compares samples from two different groups. Let's say sample A and sample B. I was using department yesterday or levels to compare two groups, either 100 level or 200 level, or I used Faculty of Arts and Sciences to compare their performances. And in Mann-Whitney U test, you can't do, you may do that if they have the same sample size. And if their sample size differs, you can still use Mann-Whitney U test. But in student T test or individual independent sample T test, you can, if one sample is let's say respondent 120 and you have the other 195, you are not, it's not advisable you use student T test. You use either Mann-Whitney U test. And I said for you to use student T test, must have variables that. But this one you can order, it should be in an ordered scale. In a what? Order scale, but not normally distributed. We are not going into normality tests in this course. We don't have all the luxury of time to do normality tests. But as we go and go further, you will now know the essence of why you can use Mann-Whitney U test and how, when to use Mann-Whitney U test. Okay, key assumption of the use of Mann-Whitney test. The variable is continuous or ordinal. The two groups are independent. Yes, that's the condition. They must not come from the same population. The two groups must not come from, they must be independent. Yes, let's say we are saying ordinal. Be in the same shape. If they are in the same, so Mimi, I will call you back. I'm teaching. The unit of measurement will be the same. The sample size is usually more than 5 in each group. The data are not normally distributed. If they were, a t-test would be preferred. For you to use your Mann-Whitney U test, your sample size, the size of your sample must be more than 5. It must be more than 5. Let's say you have a total population of 1,000 and you want to take sample from it. You take sample that is more than what? 5. That sample must be more than 5. Even though your population is 100 or even 50, for you not to violate the assumption of the use of man Whitney you test, you must take a sample that more than 5 in each group, because you have group 1 or group 2, or as the case may be, group 1 Whitney you test. Hello? Somebody didn't move. So that's and
Do you remember how?
test, if you are carrying out this calculation manually, you have gotten your responses from your result, you will rank. Mute her mic, please. Their responses, the value of their responses should be ranked based on its value from either in ascending order or in a descending order. And that ranking, you will do it in such a way that where 2 respondents have the same score, we call it a tie. So that score, or even 3 or 4, you call it a tie. That tie, you now add all their responses, the number of people who have that tie. Let's say 3 persons, and they say their response about question is 5 points. So you now say 5 that same value. So you call it a tie. A tie means you have response 2 or 3 persons having what the number of persons who order or in a descending order. Whatever method you use, you still arrive at the same thing. Starting from either the lowest to the highest or the highest to the lowest. How the test will work. 1, combine all rank. Combine and rank all observations. Okay, I use smallest to the highest. You can use from the largest to the smallest. You can use assign rank to the observation. Tie values get average ranks. Hello? Tie value gets average rank. So the tie value, let's say 2 or 3 persons have the same score. What you need to do, add the total score, their score, and divide by the number of persons who have that same score. So assign rank to the observation, tied values get average ranks. Point number 3, sum the rank for each group. 4, calculate U test for each group, which the formula is given as, you can see on the screen. U1 is given as N1, N2 plus N1, open a bracket, and N1 plus 1 bracket 2 minus R1, or you use this formula where N1, N2 is the sample size of group 1 and R1, R2 is sum of rank for group 1. Similarly, for group 2, it's the same thing. If you want to do for group 2, it will become N2.
Don't like this. So we started following it since this guy
sample size for
many people are complaining that this doctor took this thing now, they cannot understand it. It's becoming
Mr. Chago, please stop disturbing the lecture. Off your mic.
Okay, thank you.
test statistics, U is smaller. U1, or U1 and U2.
No.
Compared to calculated U. Critical value from an U table or calculated p-value using normal approximation if sample size are large. So that's all the steps. For you to carry out Mann-Whitney U test, it will be a non-parametric test for variable or ordinal variable that are not normally distributed, as I earlier said. That is when you use chronologically from the smallest to the highest, where they have same score, you call it type, you find their mean, after which the formula I showed you will be used in calculating Mann-Whitney U test. This is the formula U1, U2, U1 equal N1, N2 plus N1 into N1 plus 1 square minus R1. That's your Mann-Whitney U test. So you now compare the value of your U1 and U2 with the value in your 4-figure table. So let's go into it proper. Solved example. Suppose we have two independent groups with the following data representing viral load. People who either have a viral infection like hepatitis B or any of the hepatitis infection and had gone to check their viral load. The first group, group A, treated 57869. B untreated. So there are two different groups. All of them have hepatitis. Let's say hepatitis. Treated the hepatitis, are treating the hepatitis or treated the hepatitis, the viral load drops to this figure you are seeing on the board, 5, 7, 6, 9, and 10, 12, 11, 13, 14. So let's look at the table. This is the ranking. Group A has the rank of Group A, combine all rank. This is 1. Okay, let's see the value. This is 5, 7, 8, 9, 5, 7, 8, 9. Yes. Then we have 10, 12, 11, 13, 14. These are, so you, the result or score will be given to you. The score, sorry, not result, will be given to you haphazard in a, not in order. So you have to rank. If we want to rank now, from the first group, from you rank based on all you have here. If you can see, the values here on group B are higher than that of group A, but in some other case, you can have some value, the same value in two groups. So where you have tie, like this case, we don't have tie, you take the average. But in this example, we don't have tie. So the smallest here is what? Is 5. That's the first rank. Second is 6.
5.
Yes. Second is what? 6. Third is 7.
6.
8.
7. 8 and 9.
Rank it from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
8, 9,
10, 11, 12, 13,
and 14.
That's how you rank. And if you check this table, that's how. And the ranking now, everyone, if you rank let's see, look at the ranking that I did. From 5 took the first position, 6 second, 7 third, 8 fourth, 9 fifth, as the case may be, till 14. So we have 10. If you rank,
11.
we have 10. The ranks, the total number is 10. So if that, this is the rank, and as from 10, you can see is group B. Group B, group A is treated or treated, group B is untreated. So this is how you do the ranking. So I can give you an hypothetical data that using the assumption of Mann-Whitney U test, do ranking for me. Okay. So for you to find the sum of the rank, sum of rank A is this. Sum of rank A is what? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 is what? 15.
Yes. Yes.
Hello?
Hello.
That is sum. Yes, that is sum of rank 2. Rank A, that's the first group, the treated group.
So how do you, look, sir, how do you get this 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5? Where do you get it from, sir?
Yeah, because it's not among the treated.
Yes.
Yeah.
The figure is not there. So where do you get the figure from?
The figure is not there. Okay, when we rank, this is the rank.
The rank started from 5.
That is the score, not the rank.
Okay, the score.
Hello?
Hello, sir.
Can you see how I did the table? I said if you have a Mann-Whitney use test, we don't bother ourselves about the score. I said you do the ranking of the score, and it is the rank we will use in doing the calculation. We have ranked the treated from smallest to the highest for the 2 groups. Are you guys with me now? We don't bother about the score. It's the rank that we need. And I said where you have 2 score, call it a tie and put average there. Hello?
Sir, yes, I'm lost with you. There. Yeah.
Yes, that's how you do your ranking. Where I said, if I have opportunity, let's say in the test or in the exam, I give you an hypothetical or an haphazard data, the score that do the ranking for me. So you will rank from the smallest to the highest, or from the highest to the lowest. It's still the same thing.
Okay.
The same thing. Because if you sum them,
get the same answer.
Okay, if you don't understand from the largest to the lowest, start from the smallest to the largest. Just take that.
So, sir, does it mean
to the?
Does it mean we have seen 9, 8, 7, 6, and 5? That is arranging from starting from ascending to descending. So does it mean the A or the 9 there will be ranked A, then 8 will be ranked B in that manner, or how, sir?
Okay, if we want to change this ranking now,
the hello, it's the same.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. We're all here.
Listen. I don't have from largest to the lowest, but if you listen, you get it. Are you seeing my screen?
Yes, sir, but it's faint. If you can add the font, we can see it better. Thank you.
Like this?
The font is small. Add it. It should be more
bold.
Bold.
Mhm.
Keep enlarging, sir. Keep enlarging it.
Okay.
It's better now.
Okay,
It's
sir.
better.
Yes, it's good to go. Yes.
Okay.
It's better now.
Yeah.
It's better.
Yes,
It's
sir.
better now.
But it's not capturing all the figures now again.
Yes, you have
Not
to zoom
fitting.
it yourself.
So you cannot see all the figures at a glance.
Okay, let's just take it like
No,
this.
even if you zoom it to your side, it will not work.
It will not work unless I have to do
It
it.
is
But
not
here,
fitting.
hello,
Yeah.
can you
Hi,
see
sir.
all the A values
Yes, we can see
from
it
5
now
to
clearly.
9? Yes,
Yes.
it's taking.
Yes, we can.
Yes, sir.
It's taking what? It's taking. This is combine and rank all values. Yes, step 1. Say combine and rank all values. This is the value for A. People in the category of A, the treated category.
The treated ones.
Yes. So this is their viral load. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we rank them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, they are in the first category.
Thank you, sir. Yeah.
Yes. So in the
Okay.
second category, what do you need to do? You
From 10.
still rank them 10, 11,
12.
12, 13, 14. That is the second category. Yes.
Yes.
Even though if you have this same mix, look at the formula here. Sum of rank. I have to, let me see.
Please, can you take it to the normal screen, please? This thing is
Yes, I'm
hardly.
bringing it back.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's not okay, I take it to the normal size.
This
Is it
okay.
okay now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So why I am saying that even though if you rank them lowest to highest, highest to lowest is the same. Look at this RA. RA means sum of rank for treated group. Hello?
Hi.
Yes, sir. We're hearing you.
Sum of rank for treated group. There is no way if somebody is not in treated group that you carry this rank and add here. It's wrong. RA means what? Group or group A. You can see sum of rank for what? Group A. So you will not take the value from group B and add here. That was why we use 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5.
Okay.
You can't stay and see the other one is RB. Sum of rank for group B or for what? Untreated group. So this is step 3. You cannot calculate your use statistics using the Mann-Whitney U test, which is given to you as NA is number of sample for group A, NB, number of sample for group B, plus NA, open a bracket, NA plus 1 square, minus RA. That's where you have this, and you arrive at 25. During our revision week, I have to visit this because we will definitely solve this question. But for the purpose of our online class, because this equation, how we arrive at this, I know most of you may be having problem of board mass. Do we know what is board mass?
So even the
Yes, sir, but
ordinary
we have.
maths, we don't know.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Hello?
sir. Yes, sir.
Hello,
Board
sir.
mass is spelled BODMAS. That's what is called board mass. And it
Yes,
means
sir.
bracket of division.
Multiplication, addition, and subtraction.
Bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction is you follow them one after the other. If you bracket division and subtraction. So this one, because I'm not using board to tell you how, when to bracket, when to. So
Going forward. Forward, don't go you. Let me find
So U2 is equal 0, and U2 is UB is less than UA. So UA will be used. Step 4, the smaller U is 0. Then step 5, determine significance. Using Man-Whitney U critical value table for N1 and N2 equal
Sir,
5.
can you please go back to step 2 down to 3 and explain that really again? I don't understand anything there, sir. That's the truth. If you can go back and explain the formula UA, RB, all this, I don't understand. How do we come about them, please? Sorry for dragging you back. I'm not a science student, so that's why it's so hard for me to understand, sir.
Okay, this formula is gotten Man-Whitney U test. The Man-Whitney is somebody's name. Man-Whitney is a joint name. Hyphen is supposed to be here. Man and Whitney propounded this test, Man-Whitney U test. They call it U test, and I say it's a non-parametric test. I know this statistical jargon will be a little bit obfuscative to you, but a non-parametric data are supposed to be normally distributed, meaning that they are revolving around their mean. That is what is called normally. They are not deviating away from their mean. That is the normality of data. But when Man-Whitney U test comes into play, when the data are not normally distributed, if you have set of data that are not normally distributed and you want to compare the mean of two groups or the median of two groups, you want to compare, just as just as this illustration is, people who had infection of a viral infection, I just gave example of, let's say, hepatitis, and one group having tested positive, treated themselves. Another group did not treat themselves. And their viral load is very high. We can see their viral score. That is the score from that is the score of their viral load. And the score is presented to us to carry out a test of difference to see if there is a significant difference among the viral load of these two particular groups. So since these variables are not continuous variables, there are other variables. We will use Mann-Whitney U test instead of using independent sample sheet. That's what I say. And in Mann-Whitney U test, I have given you assumption one. The first thing, if you have your set of data, what you need to do is to arrange them from the smallest to the largest, which you guys, from the smallest to the largest, which we did. That's the first step. The second step is to sum. This is the rank. You some of the treated group, which I labeled as RA, is some.
Your screen is not up, sir.
RA is some from.
Hello, sir.
Your screen is not up. We are not seeing anything.
And for more than a minute, we couldn't hear you again.
Yes, because I said, what could be the problem?
I think you were
you asked a
the person that asked me about network. Now I can't control network now. Definitely, you know that this is network issue. Classroom cannot control this one.
What do you want Classroom to do?
Okay.
Maybe we'll have a way to network, please.
Okay.
Please let me know so that we'll liaise so that we'll be able to control the network. Or
Classroom is a boss. The boss, you know what to do.
Okay.
So one day they can beat class rep because something happened and he cannot explain. I want to start excusing myself before time.
May that day never come, sir.
Okay, man.
Because the lecture itself is very difficult to understand. Network now is another
Mr.
problem.
Kosrep,
Exactly.
I want to say
We don't know where we are now.
this course is a 3 credit unit, and network is actually disturbing us. Is it not better we arrange with the lecturer before revision
So
if we
that
can hold class? This
yes,
course
I
is a
think
very
this will be the
difficult.
best.
Hello, class.
Hello,
This
class.
is a discussion between we students, not on the Zoom. This is his recording, and the ICT is recording this.
Okay.
Me. Come on, come. After this, yes.
Mr. Desmond.
Yes. I'm here.
Please try that stuff again.
Okay.
Is the lecture going on?
I don't understand Hausa, but then I heard the lecturer telling someone about network and MTN. So I think it's a general issue since the president came. I don't know whether he came and took our Macaulay network or it's just general network everywhere.
Oh, it's network. It's wave now.
Because
It's
usually,
wave.
yeah, when the president is around an area, the network is jammed so that they can control what is happening. So ever since he left, it has not been the same.
Okay. And we are here solving it now.
Okay, so maybe if let's wait for Desmond. He's trying to reach out to the lecturer. If
Okay.
the worst comes to the worst, we can just end the lecture and then one of these days do it again in the evening.
Okay. I think it will be the best to.
We'll discuss that
Messi.
separately. We'll discuss that separately on the group. But then that might be our option.
Okay, that will be the best. That will be the best.
Hello, class.
Yes.
Yeah, I've reached out to the Dr. Ali and he said his network is disturbing him badly and he has switched from his MTM to the Airtel, so he can get back to us shortly.
Okay, thank you very much.
Mr. Desmond, it's like you are a network engineer.
So that you can do something good for us, so retrieving network for us.
Jigba, the day we'll meet face to face, then I will see you face to face and I will shake you. You're disturbing the class.
You must.
Jigba will give you a award of the highest student that is always providing everything.
I wonder when Jigba was in primary school and secondary school, what could have happened?
That's why you talk ironically.
Yes, we'll be happy to meet you face to face on that exam day or revision week, Jigba.
By the grace of God, it will happen.
Yes.
We all meet.
Last rep, I heard the lecturer was saying that they had a lecture yesterday. Is it true?
No.
Yeah?
Our lecture or any other lecture, because our lecture held yesterday.
Our lecture held yesterday?
Yes.
And we thought that they say it is on this Monday because Saturday because they have shifted this thing. I heard it that day.
No, you were misinformed. It was the Wednesday lecture that was shifted to Saturday. The rest of the lecture, Thursday and Friday, it was holding.
Jesus Christ.
So yesterday the lecture
so we mixed.
You missed.
There's no problem. I will chat you on your WhatsApp to know. Okay.
For select the smaller you the smaller u is 0. Step 5, determine significance using Whitney U critical for n1 equal 5 and n2 equal. What you need to do is to choose u that is 0. Subject your test to alpha, that is alpha value of 5, meaning your 95% confident interval. Said yesterday. Confident interval. What is Confident server.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
You the definition.
You still having network issues.
Hello, sir.
Because we can't hear him.
Sir, please, if you can hear me, we cannot hear you, and if
His mic is muted. His mic is muted, so he can't hear you. Maybe somebody should call him. They should call him and let him know.
the mic doesn't affect the sound.
No, you are trying to talk to him now. There's no way he can hear you when his mic is muted, right? I think the best thing is to call him again and let him know that we're not hearing him. If it is mean we schedule this class, maybe Monday in the evening. Let's try and do that. And if it is Sunday, this class is very sensitive for us. 3 credit load unit is not a small thing.
We can't joke with it.
That is exactly what I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
Yesterday I said confident interval level. I gave 3 level of confidence, which is at 1% probability level, which is 99%. Network in a top floor. So, yes, set your alpha level at 95%. When you value of U, which is 0, is less than 2. So we reject the null hypothesis and conclude that there is a significant difference between the two groups in their viral load.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So we have not heard what you have been saying for the past 3 minutes. It goes quiet, and then after a while, you talk briefly, and then it goes back again.
But you guys, you followed up to this table?
Not all.
Yes, you explain certain things on this table. We follow the bit, but subsequently we have not been following. And in the last 10 minutes, I think we have not heard anything for 20 seconds.
20 seconds, 20 minutes.
20 seconds, what? You said 20 seconds,
sir.
He said for the last 20 minutes, we have not been able to utilize 20 seconds out of the last 20 minutes. That's what he's saying.
Yeah. Okay.
We did this table. Yes, that's the first step, arranging it from the highest to the lowest. This thing is simple, is because we have squalid background in calculation. This thing is very simple. I said add this thing 1 + 2 + 3 + 4 + 5. I got 15. It's very simple. This is just it. The thing is nothing here. It's just that it's your background from it. I am not supposed to teach you this. With the formula, you can even just solve it. Nothing is strange here. This is just addition. I have not done any square anything. I have not done any differentiation. It's just that you don't have good rudiment in addition, subtraction. I said board mass, which is the very simple thing that is the beginning of every calculation, board mass, where you talk of addition, division, subtraction, this. The class tend not to even understand it. So if you don't understand board mass, what do I do? If you don't understand addition,
we know board mass.
Excuse me,
this
sir.
one.
Sir, the problem
It's
is not whether we understand bone mass. It's the issue of we cannot hear you.
It's
It's
okay.
the issue of network. Yes, sir.
I want question,
Somebody
sir.
is
I want to ask
putting
a
his
question.
submission.
Hello,
Yes,
sir.
yes, sir.
Number one, then apart from the issue of networks, I want to drag you back again. If you look, okay, if you look at step 2, I personally, as a person, I understand up to step 2, statistics. Then from this UA, NA is equals to 5 times 5 plus 5 times 6. This is where all these figures, that's where I'm confused.
Do you have NA plus 1 in a bracket? NA plus 1 will give you what? Is it not 6? NA, the sample size, is it not 5? That's why I said we are having issue with simple board mass. That's our problem. It's not this thing that is here. But if you can't get it from this screen, maybe if we see face to face, I will solve it where all your yearnings, all your grief will address it. But me, I'm not seeing anything in this formula that is difficult. It's a very simple. In fact, we didn't even do division. It's multiplication, addition, and subtraction. It's division that is always our problem. But I don't really understand. But all have 25. Hello? And UB is 0. So if we go to the next step, it says select the one that has the smaller u, and our u is 25, the other one is 0. So you will set your alpha level. Alpha level is your confidence interval level. Alpha level is your confidence interval level. You will check at 95%, that is alpha level 0.05%, where the critical value of this is 0 and the tabulated value is 2. If we have our 4-figure table.
Hello. Hello.
God help you, this
Dr. Ayuba.
Yes, I
Dr.
can hear
Ayuba,
you.
good morning.
Yes.
Yeah, my name is Ango Naswem. I've been sitting in for a while.
My prof.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, prof.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir, prof.
Okay, yes. So I've been sitting in for a while, and I can see that there is some level of difficulty in this class.
Yes,
And I would like to make a suggestion.
Yes, sir.
Hello? One major problem is the connectivity.
Yes.
I put at a point, even when I entered, you were not in. So I called Hepzibah, thinking she was the one. She told me it was you. Then while I was speaking to her, I heard your voice and I knew you returned. So the issue of connectivity.
I switched network.
Another device, okay. Okay. Now I can't hear you again. Now you are going again. I can't hear you. Hello? Can you hear me? Or could it be on my own part that the network is dancing?
Hello, Prof.
Okay, now, yes. So I want to make a suggestion.
Yes, I can hear you.
Pertaining to the second problem, which is comprehension. Some people are struggling to comprehend. And I want to make a suggestion and a strong appeal that your class is populated by people, some of them are very numerate. They are comfortable with the figures you are dealing with. They know the principles and so on. They can take a formula and populate it with the right parameters and arrive at the solution. For some, it's quite simple. Some are struggling with it. So herein lies my own appeal. it will it will mean you playing the statesman outside of what is ordinarily expected of you, as a way of giving back to society, as a magnanimous action. I would suggest that you make a class, optional for people who are interested, and then take them through the very rudiments so that they will be able to understand, follow you. That one is outside of what you are teaching here. In order for you to carry many people along, like you rightly said, some people are not well grounded in quantitative methods. So in order not to be speaking above people's heads, I'll make that appeal. Well, those of you in the class who are listening to me, it may not just be Dr. Ayuba. Some of you may also possess these skills, but you may now go ahead and create a class and take your colleagues through the very rudiments. I'm sure that they will be able to follow. So it's just a suggestion that I think might help. But as it is, it's a suggestion. You, the community of this class, you can decide whether it's going to be useful. Thank you. As for the other issue of connectivity, maybe we'll discuss that at another level. All right. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Thank you, Prof.
Thank you, Professor.
Very much.
Okay. I can't hear anything again.
Nobody hears anything.
I think he's gone against.
Yes, he's gone. We don't hear anything.
He's not online again.
Okay. Dr. Ayuba is out, Ko?
Yes, sir. The network has logged him out.
The network has thrown him out.
Okay. So for those of you that are in the class, I don't know what you think about this suggestion. And if it's actionable,
It's fine, sir.
Okay, so like I said, it doesn't have to be the lecturer. Any one of you can decide to create a class and take people through. I know there are lots of YouTube videos that you can go there and also educate yourself. For those of you that can, it will be helpful. You go, you ask each topic that remains a puzzle to you. You may access YouTube videos and get clarification. And then if you need coaching, direct coaching, okay, I would expect that one of you who has the skills may volunteer and take people through so that they won't struggle. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Prof.
Thank you, Prof. We really appreciate your
appreciate you,
kind.
sir. Thank you, sir.
All right. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Last rep, way forward.
We'll wait for the lecturer till the lecture is over.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
Hello, my prof. Yeah.
Dr. Ali,
Yes, I
sorry
just
about the travels you are having. I can understand how thoroughly frustrating it may be.
yes. We had set another time because we have a practical class with them, and I told
Okay.
them my facilitation. This is the
Wow.
It's gone again.
I think part of the problem is the connectivity. If the discussion thread was moving on smoothly, I know that many more people would have comprehended.
Yes.
that let me
That's
just try.
true,
If
sir.
not, normally is how to analyze data.
Hello, Dr. Ali? Hello, can you hear me? Okay, well, I'm exiting the class now. Whatever you people decide, I'll get the feedback later. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Prof.
Thank you, Prof, so
Thank you
much,
very
sir.
much.
No.
If for some of us who cannot add so this is the problem is the network, but I believe in our revision class. This is the only calculation I have just set to try their addition, to try their ability, but they are finding it very difficult. Then maybe during the revision week and our practical class, I would still repeat this man Whitney U test class, this exam.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Even me too, I lost what Prof was saying, but at least to the participant, he has profiled solution to this problem. Maybe after my class, I will call to get other information from him on how to go about this. You will just bear it with me that our class today is having technical hitch. I believe it, because I've tried all the network, they are trying failing me. I don't really know what is the problem, but I was saying most of us understood how we did this ranking from the highest to the lowest, having had a just brought this example, solved the example. Suppose you have two independent groups with the following data representing viral load. I said, let's say you have a population who have who are infected with a viral infection, which I said, let's say hepatitis. I know hepatitis is a viral infection. Some persons treated themselves and some persons untreated and carried out the test have this is the viral load score or result for treated and untreated. So if you see this table, Whitney U test table, we have score from 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 for treated. And we did the ordering from 5 to the highest. And I said the step that if you have two values that are same,
The network is very bad. I'm not hearing anything.
Exactly. That is what is happening.
Same here.
The
Same
network
here.
is bad.
Not hearing. Malam Mustafa. Malam Mustafa.
Ma?
Musa.
The network is bad.
Malam Musa.
Extremely bad. Extremely bad. We can't even hear anything.
I'm not hearing anything.
It's
That
like
is it. That is what is happening.
it's like the lecturer is
The
not in
network
the
is
class
bad.
again. The lecturer is not
He's
in the
not.
class
He's not.
again.
He's not
Yeah.
in the class again.
The
No.
network has locked him out again.
Yeah.
So let's all keep mute for now and wait for class instruction from class rep.
Okay, that is it.
I believe you will contact him and then we'll know what next.
Hi,
Please.
today's class is frustrating, you know.
so if we understand how we rank from 1 to the last value, 10, since you have the same sample size, the same population, sorry, the first one is 5, the second one is 5 from the two different groups. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 for untreated group. That makes your total population. and you rank from 5 being the first or the smallest, 6, 7, 8, 9 for the treated group, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 for the treated group. And some of us followed to this where we rank some of each group. Some of us followed to where some of us follow to this step 2, where I said RA, where I said RA is sum of rank of the treated group and is gotten by the ranks from here. We are not interested in the score, we are interested in the ranking. And sum of rank of A is the summation 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we arrived at 15. And summation RB is sum of rank of the untreated group. And we have it from where B starts, from 6, 6 plus 7, 7 plus 8, 8 plus 9, and 9 plus 10. And we arrive at this. But your man Whitney, your U, which is the U test, is gotten by NA, which is the sample of the population of group 1 and that of multiplied by group 2 plus NA open bracket NA plus 1 all square minus RA. So if you do this very well, NA, which is 5, times NB, 5, plus NA, 5. Sorry, this is 6 minus 15. So if you do your mathematics very well, using your board mass, you arrive at this, and that is your UA, or you can still use this one, this formula, and still arrive at this. So we have our UA. Hello?
Hi.
Yes. Our UA 1 to be 25 and UB to be 0. The assumption of using man witness that you should select the one that has the smaller U. So 0 is less than 25. And if you compare it using your 4-figure table, setting your alpha level at 95%, which is your alpha level at 5%, which is 0.05, and you trace to this to 5, you find it to be equal to. Then you conclude that since 0 is less than 2, we reject the null hypothesis and conclude that there is a significant difference between the two groups in their viral load. So this, as I was saying before my network interrupted, we'll just go by Prof's advice. During our practical class, I will solve this particular example. It's just one example that has calculation. I know we'll be having problem with calculation for some of us who don't really have good rudiment in in doing calculation. So I take all your brief there, and maybe that day endeavor to come with your 4-figure table. I will bring my own too as well, so that you will be following, because at the end, the final result, we'll use our 4-figure table to get the final result. So sorry for the technical hitch. I will still go back to this slide. It's not too much. It's just which I told you is not a normal test like the t-test that has a normal distribution. This test, this confidence interval. A Mann-Whitney is a non-parametric test used for comparing difference between two different independent groups. It's different from t-test, where you can do independent sample t-test and a paired sample t-test. I made mention yesterday, independent sample t-test, where we have set of students, social standard students in 100 level, their performance, and that of same student performance in 200 level. You have the same population, you have everything same. You can do independent sample t-test. Sorry, a paired sample t-test within same population. Or you can check two groups, female and male, in the same class, taking the same course. You want to check performance of female student and male student. And performance is measured using their CGPA. So you can get the performance of female and male student in a particular class. They are all coming from the same population. So that is independent. That is a paired sample t-test. But if the group, let's say you are taking students from biological sciences or sciences, comparing their means with students from arts, the population is coming from different population from different departments. You can compare their mean using paired sample t-test, which we have taken illustration yesterday. But the Mann-Whitney is not like that. Mann-Whitney is not like that. You just compare two groups that you can either order using their ordinary value, just the way we did in this. Having had their scores, we are not interested in all their scores. All we are interested is how to order their score, to have their then arrange. The next thing you do, if you arrange them hierarchically from the lowest to the highest, the next thing you do now, you sum the rank, which is okay. The next thing you sum the rank, the assumption, yes, two groups, distribution. The next thing you sum the rank. The next you sum so from we have arranged logically and arrive at this. The next we sum the rank. We have RA as treated, where we have the the rank. This is where we rank from 1 to from So where we have problem is this our formula, which by the different class I will treat this. This is almost will break
Gosh.
a good name.
Sir, it is break time already. We can take the remaining part after the break.
Thank you. Break here while I look for a better network. We'll continue later.
Okay.
I also
Yes.
hope that the person suggesting break has created the link for the next class as well.
Please, that person should respond to class rep question quickly so that we know.
Who could that person be?
What was the question, please?
I'm asking that I hope the person who is suggesting break to be continued after that the class will be continued after the break. He has created a link for the next class as well.
Okay, in as much as the network is poor, I think we should be able to manage till 2 p.m. And if there's any vital information, we wait till then.
Are you the person that suggested that, sir?
Yeah, that's my own suggestion. I think we should wait till 2 p.m. After the break, we come back, we resume back to class till 2 p.m. Maybe you may have assignment to give to us or any.
So what I'm asking is whether you have created a link for the class by 2 p.m.
No, I am not the class rep to create the link.
That means you could have allowed the class rep to take decision on that. That's what you're saying.
It's all right, no problem then. I thought the class rep is the class rep that is speaking. That's what I'm answering.
No.
Please, the class rep, don't be offended. Go ahead and tell us what we are up to so that we save our data and even refresh ourselves. If at all we're coming back for the lecture, we know that we refresh and rejoin. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, that's for that suggestion. Class rep, what can we do now?
Class rep is not even online, no. Class rep is not online.
So what are we
This
saying now? What are we saying? Where are we?
Please, Desmond, communicate class rep so that he will tell you what to tell us now.
Oh, okay, okay.
What is happening now?
We were told that the Desmond should respond or should call the class rep so that we'll know what to do. Network.
Sorry, class, you send me a message and I've just get in contact with the course rep. Say that his network to log him out, but then we are on break now. We should go break. We talk with the ICT guy for the creation of the next lecture.
Thank you.
Reconvening by 1.
All right.
When are we coming now? We don't know the time. What are
One.
we?
Part time now. We're coming back by 1, and the lecture will end
It's
by
okay.
2.
Thank
Okay,
you.
okay. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome. Welcome.
Mm.